Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best shower faucets, so you have clicked this video. In this video, we will discuss shower faucets, which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. SR Sunrise Rain Mixer Shower Faucet Combo Set. This ultra-stylish shower faucet set from Sunrise includes both a Rainfall and handheld showerhead, a rough-in valve and a trim. The look here is uncompromisingly modern, with sharp lines and a polished chrome finish. This is one faucet set that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury hotel. And whilst reasonably priced, the quality here matches the aesthetic appeal. The Rainfall showerhead is made of stainless steel, while the overhead arm and handheld showerhead are made of brass. They're a nice weight, and all parts are coated in 10 layers of chrome for a stylish, corrosion-resistant finish. The shower hose is made of 304 stainless steel too. This faucet is a good option if you have low water pressure. The high-pressure technology in the valve will still manage to give you a powerful shower. The handheld showerhead has a rectangular profile that produces a wide stream of water. It's a useful addition for directing water to parts the overhead shower won't reach as well, but there aren't any message settings, and you will only be able to use one showerhead at a time. The valve monitors water pressure, with the aim of stopping you from being either scalded or frozen. Be warned, though, if you like a very hot shower, it may restrict the temperature more than you'd like. Get your plumber to take a look before installation. Once it's in place, you won't be able to change it. All in all, this is a fantastic shower set that looks, and feels, $1 million, and it's surprisingly inexpensive too. Number 2. Gabrylly Shower Faucet Set. If you prefer curves to straight edges in your bathroom, check out Gabrylly's attractive shower faucet set. Here, the Rainfall and handheld showerheads and control panel are all circular. It's available in a wide range of different finishes, each with their own distinctive style. Choose brushed nickel for a contemporary look, or oil-rubbed bronze for something that looks almost Victorian. Matte black has a bachelor pad feel, while brushed gold will add some serious bling to your bathroom. The Rainfall showerhead is 8 inches in diameter. The handheld version comes with a choice of 3 different settings. Choose between a high-pressure massage shower, a gentler rain setting, or a mixed rain massage shower. Turn a small pointer on the showerhead to move between the settings. The control panel here has 2 levers. A small one on top allows you to select either the Rainfall or handheld showerheads. You won't be able to use both at the same time. The second, larger lever controls the temperature. The package includes the rough-in valve, valve trim, both showerheads, shower arm and elbow, and shower holder. If you opt for the matte black colorway, you can also choose to add a slide bar to the package. That's great if you want to position the handheld showerhead at different heights, without having to hold onto it. We have heard of occasional issues with quality assurance, missing installation instructions, or malfunctioning valves. Fortunately, Gabrylly's customer service has come up trumps almost every time. All in all, a good-looking and effective shower set, and the choice of spray settings with the handheld showerhead is a real bonus. Number 3. KES Rainfall Showerhead, Supply Arm and Trim Set. The KES shower set is another one with a single showerhead, and it's slightly more expensive than Gabrylly's offering. It comes in a choice of finishes, but check the price. Some are considerably more costly than others. The cheapest in the range is the stylish and modern chrome finish. There's a small increase if you prefer brushed nickel and a slightly bigger one if you want matte black. The most expensive by a long way is brushed brass. If you're looking for bling in your bathroom though, it looks the business. The showerhead here is square and measures almost 8 inches across. It has a deeper profile than others on this list. It's controlled with a single handle, and there are no logos or other marks on the valve trim. If you like a minimalist look, this is a good option. The shower arm is made of stainless steel and it's a generous 15.4 inches long. That gives you plenty of space to install the showerhead parallel with the ceiling. The 360-degree swivel connection also allows you to tilt it at an angle if you prefer. Besides the showerhead and arm, the package includes the rough-in valve, faceplate, handle and flange. The core of the shower head here is made of plastic, rather than metal. It's engineering grade, so it's long-lasting, and when it's placed, no one will ever know the difference. If you're planning to install this yourself and haven't done this kind of job before, you may struggle. It's not a difficult task if you know what you're doing, but it doesn't come with installation instructions. Number 4. Delta Faucet Shower Trim Kit. If you're looking for a classically styled faucet set, consider Delta Faucet's Lahara. This is available in a choice of Venetian, darker, or champagne bronze, gold-like, stainless steel or chrome. It comes with a traditional round fixed shower head and a wall-mounted valve trim to select the temperature. Note that you'll need to buy the rough-in valve separately with this one. The shower head offers 5 different settings. The full body spray setting offers strong streams of water, while the fast massage spray is a good choice after the gym. Its intense massaging jets are great at relieving tired and aching muscles. Other options are the full body spray with massage, the drenching spray, and pause. The latter interrupts the water flow without changing the temperature setting, great if you're pausing to shave. The pressure-balanced valve cartridge monitors the water temperature to prevent sudden changes. You'll never again need to worry about being drenched in icy water because someone has flushed the loo. The maintenance of the shower head is straightforward. The rubber nozzles allow you to simply wipe off any mineral deposits with your finger, and the whole thing can be easily replaced if you decide to change it down the line. Depending on the finish you choose, however, you may find that hard water causes spotting. Wipe over the surface of the hardware with a soft cloth after every shower to keep it looking good. Number 5. HOMELODY Shower Tub Kit. If you're looking for a kit to work with an overtub shower, this one from HOMELODY should make your shortlist. It includes a fixed overhead shower head, rough-in valve, handle and faceplate, and a spout for your bathtub. It's available in either brushed nickel, or the slightly more expensive matte black. Both finishes are designed to resist corrosion in humid bathrooms. The pressure-balanced cartridge in the valve will avoid sudden water temperature changes. If you've ever found yourself shrieking because someone somewhere has flushed a toilet, you'll appreciate this. The setup here allows you to choose between directing water to the shower head or down into a bathtub. When you want the water to come to the tub, simply push down the lever on top of the spout. Pulling it up again will direct the water to the shower head. That shower head offers a choice of 5 settings. Choose from options offering firm, powerful jets, or a finer, lighter spray depending on your mood. The setting is selected by turning a small toggle on the side of the shower head. The construction is solid brass, making this a durable and high-quality kit. Just be aware that the fixing screws supplied with the matte black version or silver. Either purchase some black-headed screws separately or paint them with enamel paint to match. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.